how to buy Taitiko token. So this token came under the symbol of TTG. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Also, there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use codes below. Fund your account to enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following their updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created just 3 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in a safe place. This token also trends in number 3 on Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token is easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under the Solana network. Now open your Phantom wallet for that. As you can see, now click here on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. So this is it. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here and click on solve. So after that, you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slip hash from here, as you can see, or customize, because the most of issues came from the slip hash, and after that you can be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy TTG token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.